We are also creating awareness among the people, and we have created 2 centers as mentioned in the reply. One is at Goa Medical College and one is at Cottage Hospital, Chikalim. We are strictly following the WHO guidelines, and whatever is mentioned, and this is being reviewed very strictly, and specifically people coming from China put under isolation immediately.
बट चायना साकून डायरेक्ट गोंया येवपी लोक कमी आसतले. चडशे लोक कितें आतां केरळाक मॅक्झिमम जाला ते.
की आमकां हेवटेन 3 ते 5 इंटरनॅशनल चार्टर्स आर कमिंग एवरी नायट आय बिलीव. डॉमेस्टीक ट्रॅव्हलिंग येतात आनी म्हायतीनुसार स्पीकर सर एकूच स्क्रिनींग मशीन आसा इंटरनॅशनलाचेर आनी एक स्क्रिनींग मशीन आसा डॉमेस्टिकाचेर. वी नीड नॉट वेट फॉर एवरीथींग ऑन सेंटर टू टेल अस. आज मुख्यमंत्री फक्त सेंटर सांगता तितलेंच करता. हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मागणी आसा की हांगा कितें जाय जाल्यार कलेक्टिवली लेट अस पुट थिंग्स टुगेदर.
2018 आमचे टुरिझम मिनिस्टरान चायना वचून टुरिस्ट हाडपाक गेल्लो. सरकारान पयशे मोडिल्ले आहा. रोहन कावंटर म्हणटा स्क्रिनींग मशीन घालपाक पयशे ना म्हणून. तुमकां जंकेट करपाक पयशे आहा.
How you are going to tackle if there are more patients in Goa?
रेल्वे पळय आहा रेल्वे कडेन स्क्रिनींग दवरल्यार बरें, कित्याक केरळासून लोक चड रेल्वेन येता.
Leader opposition mentioned is the movement of people between Kerala and Goa. There are a lot of people, I agree with you, there are a lot of people that are moving between Kerala and Goa can be also through train. And as a result of which, we have no exact monitoring system as far as the trains are concerned. We don't have scanners at the moment. We are using thermal guns which are available with them, but that is not what is required. We have asked Government of India to give us the thermal scanners, but what we need is a facility even at the railway stations and proper tracking that is required at the concerned stations, which the railway stations or where the flow is into the state of Goa. We all need to be together on this particular issue because we need to address how will we handle the patients that are coming by bus, how will we handle the patients that are coming by railway. We will put an appropriate mechanism. These questions are discussed on a daily basis with the Secretary Health, Government of Goa and Government of India. We have to penetrate this information, and the best way of penetrating is using the Department of WCD through the Anganwadi worker teachers so that we are able to penetrate it through the schools, and we'll do it, I assure you. And this task force is not a task force only on paper. Chief Secretary being the head here,